Okay, children, let me just share a message in the class group and tell children to join. Otherwise, they're going to miss a lot because this year is going to be very tough.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. What is tout le monde? Anybody knows? When you have to say good morning, good morning everyone. So for everyone, we use tout le monde. Bonjour tout le monde. Wonderful. Now I can see good strength in the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you. So finally promoted, huh? Finally in class 8, and this is the last year for your French. How many of you are happy that it's the last year to study French? What a big burden. Huh? How many of you find French as a burden? Oh my God, Rancher is the first one. And I'm sure all others as well have the same feeling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vishal.
Ma'am, I have the 7th class book. I don't have the 8th one.
What?
It had not. Yes, ma'am, we had not. Ma'am, the 8th class.
Why? Where is this book? Class 8 book. This is
Ma'am,
the
ma'am, I don't have it. It is not available.
now we have to do this number.
Ma'am, but it was not available when I had taken my
Okay, it
course.
wasn't available. Then that's fine. If it wasn't available.
Yes, ma'am, it is not available.
So let's do one thing. Let's just revise the old book.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, the French book is unprinted.
The
Ma'am, when I had gone to Saraswati Southern, the
Yes.
bhaiya was telling that the book is unprinted. So
okay, it has not been printed till now. Just a minute, children.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so the book is not yet printed. It's fine. It will be printed soon, children. Books are really going short, not only for SR International, but for other schools as well. So it is going to take a little time. No worries. Since we've got just a handful of these classes, French classes, just one class per week, so we cannot miss anything. What you'll do is like last year, or even if your last year's copy is there with you, you can continue in the same copy. We are just going to make one copy for French in which you're going to write all the work which will be done in the class and also from the book, the exercises and all. And once again, I request, don't no request, sorry, don't take it as my request. I order you to open your cameras because this is not the way to sit in your online class. Those who want to attend the class have to put their cameras on.
Ma'am, my camera is not being. Ma'am, my camera is unable to open.
All right, so you have a genuine reason. What about others? Rancher, Om Saraswat, Zainab, Pranjali Dikshit, Divyanshu Singh, everybody else. Very good, Anshuman Singh. So you would prefer to make a new copy or you want to continue in the old one?
Ma'am, I would prefer to make new copy. Yes, ma'am, I also.
Okay,
Also will make the new copy.
Ma'am, please make it PDF and send it so ma'am we can see what is
Yes.
in the book.
Okay, children,
Ma'am,
with
please.
the new copy, no problem, but please don't throw away your old copies because from there also you're going to fetch in a lot of information, a lot of knowledge. Okay, don't just let it go waste. Don't throw it away because you'll have to refer a lot many things from your old copies. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, please
let's,
send the book PDF.
all right, I'll send you the chapter, then just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Is there any new student in this class? No new admission?
No,
In this chapter, the first chapter of this book, you're going to study a lot of things which you've already studied. Okay, done. Rename document. All right, children, now check your class group. I've sent the PDF on WhatsApp. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this chapter we studied in class 6th also. What was the chapter? The chapter name was Vous connaissez la France, right? You know France. Do you remember? How many of you remember the chapter name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vous connaissez la France. Now, what does this name, what does this chapter say? The title, the name of this chapter is Un coup d'œil sur la France. Un coup d'œil. What is OEIL? A single eye. A single eye is called œil. So, un coup d'œil is an expression which is used for a glance. A glance on France. Now, before country names, we always use definite articles. So, France being a feminine country, we put la before it. Un coup d'œil sur la France. That's the chapter's name. Understood? Everybody write it. Everybody write it in your French copies.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it बेटा. जो मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको लिखो. A glance on or at France.
Can you repeat?
Most of the things from this chapter we've already done, like the wine names, the cheese, and everything. The currency, the flag. So we're just having a glance, a quick look at this chapter. Now, what does this chapter say? France or L'Hexagone is located on the European continent and is bordered by 8 countries. All of you remember that France is 6-dimensional in shape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
6-dimensional country which makes its name as L'Hexagone. So this L'Hexagone is bordered by 8 countries. So which are those 8 countries? Belgium, Germany, Luxembourg, Italy, Switzerland, Monaco, Andorra, and Spain. These are the countries France is bordered by. Clear? You need not learn the names of these countries. Don't worry. Then, what is the French flag called? What is the French flag called? Le drapeau. Le drapeau. Le drapeau français.
La drapeau for
Very nice. Le drapeau français. So, what are the colors of this flag?
Ma'am, red, blue,
English में हाँ.
white.
हाँ.
blanche,
Quelles sont les couleurs?
blanche rouge,
Ma'am, blanc, rouge,
Blanc,
and blue.
bleu, blanc. What are the colors? Bleu, blanc, et rouge. See, look at the colors in which sequence they are given. They are given in the sequence of blue, white, and red. So we have to name the colors like that. Bleu, blanc, et rouge. Why are we not calling the color blanche here? Can anybody tell me? White तो blanche भी होता है ना? BLANCHE. Blanc and blanche. So why are we not using blanche here? Nobody knows?
Ma'am, because of gender.
no, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, because of gender.
Because of the gender.
Ma'am,
Yes.
because of gender.
Gender, no? You're saying gender.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Because we are talking about the color of the flag. And flag is which gender? Masculine. So we use the masculine white for flag. That is the reason why we are not using the feminine white for flag. Is that clear? Then, Le Capitale de la France. What is the capital of France? Quelle est la capitale de la France? Quelle est la capitale de la France? No one knows it? No one knows the capital of France?
Ma'am, Paris. Ma'am, Paris.
Paris. Yes, it's Paris. Then, la fête nationale, le 14 juillet. The national day. What is the national day of France? La fête nationale. It comes on the 14th of July. Now, how do we say the 14th of July in French? Le 14 juillet. Then, the next is l'hymne. How do we call it? The hymn, the anthem, the national anthem. Anthem in French is called l'hymne. L'hymne national. L'hymne national, what is it called? Now, this is something new that you are learning. It's La Marseillaise. La Marseillaise. Now, double L will be silent here. Like I always tell you, double L is always silent in French words. So, La Marseillaise. Is that clear to all of you? Just write down the pronunciation so that you're able to speak it. When you need to speak it, you are able to speak it. La Marseillaise. Then, la monnaie unique européenne. The single European currency. What is the single European currency? That's euro. The only currency in Europe is euro. Les vins. What is les vins? The wines. What are the wines? Anybody remembers the names of the wines we studied in class 6? Le Bordeaux, Le Bourgogne, one more. Now, what is that wine? Look at the word. What is it? Beaujolais. Beaujolais. S is silent in the end because there is no E after it. Are you writing the pronunciation, children? Then, les fromage. What is fromage? It's the cheese. Now, France is famous for its different varieties of cheese. So, what are the names of those different varieties? Le Camembert, Le Roquefort, Le Brie, Le Gruyere. Now, you can be asked these kind of questions. You can get these questions in any form, either in fill in the blanks or match the following or in any other way. So you have to remember the names of the wines, you have to remember the names of cheese, the currency, and everything that you are learning in this chapter. Now see, when we look at the name of this chapter, it says Sur la France. Sur. What does Sur mean? Sur means on. Sur means on. On is what? A preposition. A preposition is something that lets you know the position or the direction of something. Right? Like, for example, there are different prepositions on, in, at, under, above. These all we have studied in English language. Now, here in this chapter, we come across one preposition that is sur, which means on. Now, the next one is, look at the next paragraph. Le tunnel sous la Manche. Now, what is S-O-U-S? S-O-U-S is the opposite of on. which means under. The tunnel under the Manche. Now the English Channel, the sea. You have studied in geography or history the English Channel. It is a sea which is called Manche in French. Le tunnel sous la Manche. Now there is a tunnel that is made in the English Channel. The tunnel nicknamed Channel is a rail tunnel beneath the English Channel linking England and France. Now France is famous for this tunnel also. Why? Because it connects this country to England. It is a direct connection through that tunnel. Is that clear? Clear to all of you children? You are giving such like low energy in this class. What is wrong? See, you have to study French. There is no way out that you can run away. You can escape from this. So better study it nicely. कोई choice तो नहीं है ना, या तो संस्कृत opt कर लो. ठीक है? नहीं करनी संस्कृत French पढ़ना है तो study it with full energy. I know this chapter is little boring because it is the history and geography of France. So why would you take interest? But you are gaining knowledge. You are learning something new. Just take it like that. Then the next page. Le monde francophone. Now what is le monde? Le monde is the world. The world. Now which world are we talking about? The French speaking world. What is francophone? It's the French speaking. French is the only language other than English spoken in 5 continents. So now you can understand how important French language is if you talk about the whole world. Like we give importance to English language, French is not less important. Why? Because it is spoken in 5 continents across the world. More than 150 million people speak French as their native tongue, and millions of others use it as a second language. These people make up what is known as Le Monde Francophone, the French-speaking world. Some of the countries where French is the official language or the mother tongue. These countries are l'Algérie, la Belgique, la Suisse, le Luxembourg. Now you have to remember the names of these countries where French is the official language. You can be asked a question in exams. Okay? So underline this thing, write it in your copies separately. I would be giving you homework today, and in the next week, you know that you have to send your copies for correction. You will be given a particular date wherein you will be asked to send your copies to school for correction. And it will be stamped by the principal, sir. So you have to complete this work. Is that clear? Then, how many of you remember the alphabets? The French alphabets, the ABC.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I won't be able to send my copies.
You will not be able to send even your single copy or only French copy?
Ma'am, any copy I won't be able to send.
Why? Why so? Why are you so confident? How are you so confident about it?
I'm 1500 kilometers away from the school.
50 kilometers away.
I'm in Bengal.
Where do you stay? Yes?
Ma'am, right now I'm in Binagudi.
Okay, you're not in
Right now I'm
Bareilly.
in Binagudi, Bengal.
All right. So, okay, your copies will be checked online. If there is any such reason, then you have to submit your copies online. You have to make PDF of your work and all. Okay? No child will be spared this year. Nothing will be taken lightly. I'm telling you everything in advance. So be very particular and prompt with your work. Fine. Now, how many of you remember A, B, C, D in French? Tell me. Let's just learn ABC. Okay. A, B, C. Yes, Ranshir? Nothing? Okay. A, B, C, D, E. F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, M, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fine. Now to learn it, you have to see this recording. Okay. Okay, let's learn some new words through these alphabets. Now you can see we have different pictures. Now suppose, let's say of letter C. Now there are two things made, two images of each alphabet. You will get this thing in your exams in translation. What is a cat called? What is a cat called? Tell me, anybody can tell?
Chat.
Yes?
Chat.
Sha. It's called a sha. What is a gift called in French? A gift. Cadeau. It's called cadeau. What is a honey bee called? Honey bee. Abeille. It's abeille. Double L will be silent. Can you see? So you want me to read out all the words, or you'll do it yourself? I'll give you 5 minutes. Just try to do it yourself, and then I'll call out your names. Okay? You have to do it then. Your heads down in your phones. Start reading. And if you're not able to pronounce any word, ask me. Done it, students? Don't you want to know the pronunciation of any word? Are you so pro with each and every word? You're able to do it? Huh? Okay, Anshuman. Tell me both the words with letter I. Anshuman Singh. Yes. Unmute yourself, Pita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pronounce? Can you just speak the words given in letter I block?
Ma'am,
No. Ranche, can you?
I,
Ahmad Khan and Pranjali Dikshit. What about you? At least Rancher and Anshuman are showing their faces in the class. What about you both? Ahmad, yes, good. And Pranjali Dikshit? Okay. So let me call out, let me speak all the words and write, you people will write down the pronunciation. Is that fine? I will then ask anyone, any word. Then I don't want this silence. Make it very clear. You people are giving a very inactive attitude in class. Avion, starting with letter A. Now pay attention. Avion, abeille. Bonbon, ballet. Chat, cadeau. Dame, dodo. Am I going too fast?
no, ma'am.
All right. Étoile. Star is called étoile. Rancher, beta, why can't you hear me? Okay. Then étoile. What is étoile? A star is called étoile. Étoile, éléphant. Elephant is elephant. Fraise, fusée. Fraise, fusée. Rancher, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Glass, giraffe. Hippo, ibu. Now letter H is always silent in French. That is why we call hippo, ibu, A man is called Homme. So we do not call it hom. We call it Omme. Then eel, eel and egon. Jean and Jean. Jeans in French is called Jean. Kangaroo, koala. Lion, long. Maison, mare. Knee, nay. Both D and Z in these two words will be silent. Nest is knee and nose is nay. Orange, oiseau. Pantalon, pair. Q, quill. Raisin, rose. Soleil, serpent. Thé, tortue. Ion, uniform. Wash, was. Wagon, weekon. Now, a weekend is weekon. We call it a weekon. Xylophone, year. Now, two eyes together. When it's one eye, we call it oe, like the name of the chapter. And when we talk about two eyes, the plural of eyes become je, Y-E-U-X. Yaourt. Yaourt is what? Yogurt. Zeb and Zeho. So that was all. Want to know the pronunciation of any word again?
Ma'am, X alphabet.
Yes, Ahmed, be a little louder.
Ma'am, X.
Xylophone. With X, it's in English we call it xylophone, but in French we call it a xylophone.
Ma'am, Q alphabet.
Yes,
Q.
Q,
Yes, ma'am. Q
U,
alphabet.
U for uniform.
Ma'am, Q.
Q, okay, Q is Q and quill. So that's all, children. Now it's time for your break. Let's end this class here and do your homework. Write everything in your copies. Okay, the names of wines, currency, French flag, and everything that is given in the chapter. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.